Wrong information yan eh. Wrong information yan.
Wrong information yan. Bakit ka tumalon?
64 pesos, hindi ba wrong information yan? Di ba? 5,500 flood control projects, di ba wrong information yan? 40,000 metric tons of garbage, hindi ba wrong information yan?
Okay. Tagpa 5 minutes tayo.
There must be something that the president should do.
Let's come to an agreement. 5 minutes ka, 5 minutes ako.
Kahit mag 10 minutes ka pa. Tira.
See? Kasi ganito yon. What is your goal? What is your point
My
of
point
argument?
is this.
What
My
is
point
your
is
point
this.
of argument?
Stop feeding the president and the people wrong information. You are accusing the bloggers of spreading fake news. But it is the government who is spreading fake news. And that because you wrong information yan. Wrong information yan.